Okay, this is Christine. We are back again, ready to do the second project. First thing we're going to do is make our loop, our slip knot. Pull it over once, pull it over twice, and there it is. Okay, now you're going to chain 21. A lot of videos tend to speed up at this point, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wrap my fingers like I taught you. And then we're going to go one. Oh, let me adjust the phone a little bit. And yes, I'm at the ceramics studio. You got all my ceramics glazes here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice I'm wiggling my little finger here. That's to loosen it. And I keep my grip tight. I don't look down, I don't keep it down here. I keep going up close. Okay, 11, wiggle the finger. 12, wiggle the finger. 13, that just helps me. If you find something else that helps you, that's great. And if you lose count, that's okay too. You can come right back here. Okay, and of course this is your knot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, keeping it loose, 16, 17. Now I feel a big bundle at my pinky, so I'm going to straighten that out. Is that 17 or 18? So it's okay. We all do it. Go back and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, now we're going to go up 2. So we're going to keep my thumbnail here where we just finished. Okay, we're going to go up 2. Okay, so that's for the next row. Then when we turn our work, so we're no longer doing a chain, we're going to turn our work and we're going to go a double crochet. So you wrap your hook, wrap your yarn over, then you're going to go under the V. Okay, so that's one layer of the V, and that's the second layer of the V. Okay, yarn over and pull it through. Remember to keep it nice and loose. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now this is where we're going to change slightly. We had too many on the second row. So now we're going to skip 2. Okay, so you can see that that's not a V. You're going to find your V again. There's my V's. So I'm going to skip 1, 2, and I'm going to go in that third one right there. Yarn over and go in this third one. Okay, so there's one part of the V, and there's the second. So you're going to yarn over and pull it through nice and loose. Yarn over and pull it through 2. Yarn over and pull it through 2. Okay, now you're going to yarn over and go in exactly the same one. Okay, you can see that that's the hole we went in. Okay, it comes out right here, so we're going to go in that same hole. It automatically goes under both of them. Okay, yarn over and pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now you're going to yarn over and do a third one in the same hole right there. Pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. All right, now once again, find your V. You don't want to go over here because that's not a V. You want to go on this side where you can see, okay, that's where I was. So I'm going to skip, skip, and go in this one. So yarn over, go under both parts of the V. If you don't get both parts, that's okay. It really is. And I accidentally went through all of them, so all 3 instead of just 2. It happens. You can hook it like that so that it doesn't fall off, well, hopefully. And then you can push that on with your thumbnail. Okay, so now there's two on one on the top and one on the bottom. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. Okay, now we're going to do this on to three of them, three in the same hole. Okay, yarn over, go in the same hole right there. Okay, you can double check that it's the same by making sure there's two on top. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. Yarn over, go in the same one. This is number 3. Okay, these are double crochets, 3 in 1. Now once again, this is different from when I was in class. I made a slight mistake. I only had you skip 1, but I want you to skip 2 and go into that third one. So yarn over. If you've already got it made with only one, skipping 1, just continue. It's fine, okay? We'll figure it out. Just kind of follow the pattern the best that you can. It's not intended to be perfect. It'll still turn out nice. Okay, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, yarn over. This is number 2. Okay. Yarn over, the same one. This is number 3. Okay, so you can see how it's making this shell pattern. Okay, you've got a half a shell here, and then a whole shell here and here and here. Okay, so now I'm going to back to the V's, skip 2, and go in the third one, yarn over, go in that third one, both parts of the V. Oh, I missed it. And there it is. All right. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we're going to do number 2 in the same one. Right there. Yarn over and pull through 2, and again. Your third double crochet in the same one. A shell can be made typically with odd numbers. It can be made with 3, 5, or 7 in the exact same hole. So you have an opportunity to play with those and do different ones if you want to. You can do on a different piece of yarn, because this one is a specific granny square, but you can do it on a different one. Okay, so we're just going to continue with this pattern, 3 in 1. Here's number 2 and number 3. Okay, so now you got 3 in that one. Yarn over, skip 2, go in that third one. Okay, so I actually split the thread here, so that I don't want to do. That only has one layer of thread, not the entire piece. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to make sure that I go through skipping 2 and going the third one, but I don't want to split the yarn. So I'll go under that one, and then under this one, and then I double check the back. So that's the full piece. That's not half of it, like last time. Okay. Okay, that's 1. 2. 3. Okay, so we have 2 left, so we're going to wrap it and go under the second one and do just a single, 1 double crochet. I won't say single, 1 double crochet in that last hook. Okay, then we're going to chain 2 to go up and turn your work. Okay, now on this one it's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so you can take that middle one right here. Okay, you're going to yarn over and you're going to go right at the top. You can see where 2 parts go in here. You just want to go in that same hole, and that automatically gets you both of the V's because your V's are along the top. So if you go right in where these two go into that hole, you'll automatically get both parts of the V. Okay, yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2 again. Now this one you're going to chain 1 right here, then you're going to yarn over and go in the same one. This is called a V stitch. You're learning 2 different stitches here. So you've got the shell and the V stitch, okay? So you've got a V, it goes down and then up with a space in the middle, okay? And that space is where we're going to put our shell next time. So you don't need to skip any here. You want to go straight to the center. You don't need to count, I mean. You just go straight to the center. So you yarn over, go straight to that center one where these two join in, okay? Yarn over, pull through, chain 1, yarn over and go in the same one that you did last time, right there. Okay, and there's another V stitch, okay? So you look for the center one here, yarn over, follow this line all the way up, and you see those two go into this hole right there, so you just poke it right through there. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, go in that same hole right there, yarn over, pull through, okay? So there's your third V stitch. You're starting to see the pattern emerge now, okay? So this is going to be a very easy granny square. Find the center, go up to the hole. There we go. We're going to do double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet in the same. Okay. Find the center, yarn over, go up to the top here, yarn over, and then do the rest of your double. Okay, chain 1, and my yarn is getting caught up on my pinky again, so I'll straighten that out. Maybe I'll take a little drink too. Make sure you guys are all caught up. Okay, get my pinky the way I should, the way I want it, wrap it around. So I already did one double crochet and a chain. So now I'm ready to double crochet into the same one. Okay. Looks like I'm going to pause here for a minute and put up a second one in a minute.